Good morning. Come take a walk with us. Let's look at some birds, wildlife, birdhouses, and what may be in them out on this beautiful property. Well, getting to this duck house, we're going to have to do a little cutting to get back there this time. And we have a great clutch here. Just double check. Yep, they're all warm. She must have just came off incubation. So we'll cover them back up. All right. All right, let's get up there. Go find this wood duck box. Ooh. Thank you for taking a moment to look in some birdhouses and other species that are all around this property.